Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Early yesterday, the Australian dollar this time around took a sharp U-turn from the highs of 76 cents and plummeted to a low of 75.21. From the clear rejection from 76 cents, supports that the market is slowly turning to a bearish sentiment. However, we should not rule out one more test towards the top side, which should give the bearish trader another opportunity to short the market. Immediate support comes in at 75.35 and then down towards 75.05. An interesting round of price action overnight as the bears once again pushed their paws onto the market for the euro as the dollar index rallies further and posts a high of 94.09. The euro posted a low of 116.75 early this morning and now questions whether the market's reached its objective of 116.60. We are, from a technical point, still oversold. So I believe that this streak of bearishness that the euro is currently holding could see a short-term correction in the coming days. However, to get this confirmation, we've got a lot of work to do to the upside. Resistance now comes in at 117.45 to 117.90, and a break above there could give further traction to the bullish case. Support still remains at 116.60. A very disappointing round of price action for the dollar yen after it crushes the support of 110.10 and now questions whether the market can actually fall further. In light of the pattern, I believe the market should stage a recovery and ease away from the support of 109.65 and look up towards 110.45. Above there should give further indication of a reinstate the uptrend to the target of 111. The pound falls further overnight and also the inflation data that come out was lower than expected, with the CPI missing its forecast of 2.5% and coming in at 2.4. I'm not negative from these lows of 133.2030, purely for the fact is the RSI is extremely low, so I do expect to see a rebound very, very soon. Resistance seen at 134.05 to 134.55 and support, as I say, at 133.2030. We're still continuing to see choppiness in the gold price action, but no direction. Keeps ending flat, as you can see, but there is some divergence coming through, and the RSI is picking up. Therefore, I believe the market's found a base around 78.81, and we are looking up towards 98 and then towards 03.05. And is viewed from there, a break of that resistance could see further upside potential to the region of 1,312. Dips to still be a buying opportunity. While we've been waiting for the confirmation for oil and it hasn't come through, and from the fact that the bulls are slowly weakening from the 72 challenge, now looks back to the downside. If we do get a break beneath the support level that comes in minor at 71.60, then this would give further indication that we are looking for a move towards 69.5 as an objective. Technically, we are bearish. Resistance at the moment is at 72.45.65. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that is ahead.